Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step, and today I'm here with another video to show you guys if you can add music to your Instagram post on your laptop. First of all, open up your Instagram, and if you try to add a video from here on the left hand side, create, and again click on post, and after selecting any kind of video or photo of your choice and opening up, and here you can see you can just click on next and you'll be able to edit with some filters and adjust the adjustments. After clicking on next, you are able to add captions, tag people, add location as well, but here's this option for share but not an option to add music to your post. That is because the Instagram version of web is really limited and all the options are not available like it is on your mobile phone. So it's really unfortunate that you need to add music to your post from your mobile phone, as it is really not just possible on your PC. Even after changing your PC's version to like one that of a mobile phone, it will still be not able to add music to your post from your PC. So hopefully this is able to clarify a question of if you can add songs to Instagram posts from your laptop or not. So guys, if you find this video helpful, hopefully make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review. And if you have any other queries or questions, feel free to comment down on our video. Till then, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.